Hello there. COVID is still rising, and it's your time to do your own antigen test at your own home. You can do it with this kit now. The kit comes with 3 things: a testing card, a swab collecting stick, a swab collector, which is pre-filled with some liquid. There is also an app available for this product, so you can use it with the app. It's available for both Apple and Android. The app is still not a necessary thing, but still you can use it. Once you install it, sign up with your phone number where you will get the OTP. Log in with that phone number and click on start the test. The app will collect some basic informations like you are asymptomatic or symptomatic and all those information. Click on scan the QR to link that card with your account, because there is a QR code provided on the top of that card which can be linked with your account. Once you scan the QR, your card will be getting linked with your account. Now you can click on to proceed to this test. To start with, take out this collection tube which is having some liquid inside. Tap the card gently on a surface so that the liquid will get settled properly at the bottom. Just make sure it's properly settled at the bottom. Then take the swab collecting stick and tear it from back side, because in front side it is made of plastic and back side it is just paper only. So it is easy to do from the back side. Now comes the hardest part. Put it in your nose and collect the swab. Using the same stick, you have to do it from both. Once done, put the stick in the container which is having the liquid, soak it properly, and in the stick there is a breaking point, so you have to break that stick at that point, like this. Close the container and shake it properly. Once the bud is soaked properly, you have to take 2 drops of the solution into the cart. This is somewhat like a pregnancy testing kit. It's very similar to the process. Meanwhile, click next and try to start the testing in the app so that it will begin the counter. So what they are saying is the test result should be taken between 15 minutes and 20 minutes. Anything taken after 20 minutes they are saying as invalid. So start the counter and put 2 drops of solution into the cart. 1 and the next one. Yeah. Now you can see that counter is ticking from 15 to downward. Once it is completed, it will trigger an alarm on your phone, so keep it open till then. Meanwhile, you can check the manual where it shows the result indications. Like, there are 2 lines. If you get 2 lines, you are tested as positive. If you are getting only 1 line on C, you are tested as negative. And if you are getting only 1 line on T, means your card is having some issue, it's defected. Luckily, mine came as negative, so I can see from the indication of that card itself. But there is an option from the app that you can take a photo of it, so that it will analyze and show the result, and the result also will be getting linked to the account you have created. So once you adjust the frame, it will take a photo like this, and it will analyze that and it will show the result whether it's positive, negative, or incorrect. For me, the app is asking for that card QR again to link it again. I'm not sure why. So I'm doing it again so that the result will be getting generated properly there. Once done, they will also show how to safely dispose this entire thing. So this is my result. It is showing as I'm negative. So I'm luckily negative. So to safely dispose all this, there is a safety bag provided along with the kit. So put everything inside, like the card, the container, and seal the bag properly. Once sealed properly, you can easily give this to your waste management team and yes, it is done. That's it. It's simple. It's not a complicated stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this information to anyone who needs this in this pandemic situation. I hope it's useful for everyone.